Hello and welcome to this transformative 15-minute quantum jumping guided meditation. Drawing from the principles of the law of attraction, we'll harness your infinite consciousness to step into a parallel reality where your deepest desires manifest effortlessly and quickly. Whether you're seeking abundance, love, health, or success, this journey will empower you to upgrade your life. Find a quiet space, sit or lie down comfortably and close your eyes. Take a moment to set your intention. What do you wish to manifest? Let's begin by breathing deeply and releasing all that no longer serves you. Start by taking slow, deep breaths. Inhale deeply through your nose, filling your lungs with pure, calming energy, peace, clarity, and infinite potential. Hold for a moment. Then exhale slowly through your mouth, releasing all stress, doubts, and limitations from your body and mind. Inhale peace. Exhale tension. With each breath, feel your body growing heavier, sinking deeper into relaxation. Now use your consciousness to scan your body, starting at the top of your head. Feel any tightness in your scalp, forehead, or eyes melting away like ice under warm sunlight. Affirm to yourself, I release all worries. My mind is clear and open to new realities. Relax your jaw, neck, and shoulders. Let them drop, free from the weight of the world. Move to your torso. Feel your chest and back softening, your heart opening to love and abundance. Affirm, I am worthy of all I desire. My body is a vessel for manifestation. Let go in your arms, elbows, wrists, hands, and fingers. Imagine energy flowing freely, unblocking any resistance. Continue downward to your hips, thighs, knees, calves, ankles, feet, and toes. Sense warmth spreading, grounding you while expanding your awareness. Affirm, I am connected to the quantum field. Infinite possibilities flow to me now. Notice how, with each release, your consciousness expands beyond your physical form, into a vast field of energy where time and space bend to your will. You are safe, protected, and ready for this journey. Focus on the rhythm of your breath, letting my words guide you deeper. In your mind's eye, visualize a large window just a few feet ahead, radiating a brilliant white light. Pure, inviting, and infinitely powerful. This light is the gateway to the quantum field, where all versions of you exist. It comforts you, filling every cell with warmth, love, and unbreakable peace. Affirm, I am light. I step into my highest potential effortlessly. Using your consciousness, move toward the window. Feel the light growing stronger, dissolving any fears or doubts. Open the window and step through into a luminous tunnel. The light surrounds you like a loving embrace, making you feel secure, empowered, and alive with possibility. Affirm, I am infinite. Every reality I desire is already mine. Now, glance back through the window at your current physical body. Your earthly vehicle, a tool for gathering experiences. But remember, you are so much more. Pure consciousness with access to countless vehicles, each offering unique ways to interpret and create reality. These alternate bodies hold different beliefs, energies, and outcomes aligned with your manifestations. Turn forward and journey deeper. See an array of these vehicles appearing. Some familiar, others enhanced with glowing vitality, confidence, or success. Use this technique. Scan them intuitively, asking, which one aligns with my desires? Notice variations. Perhaps one radiates unshakable confidence, another vibrates with wealth and freedom, or health and joy. Affirm, I choose success. My reality shifts to abundance now. Take time to explore. Feel their energies, sense how they change your daily life. One stands out, drawing you in. It embodies all you seek: perfect health, empowering beliefs, and magnetic attraction. Examine it closely. What features appeal? Does it hold beliefs like, I attract miracles daily? Or, opportunities flow to me easily? Affirm repeatedly, I am confident, worthy, and successful in every way. This body is mine. Visualize stepping closer, touching it, feeling its power infuse you. Now step fully into this upgraded vehicle. Merge with it. Feel the shift. Tingling energy, heightened senses, a surge of excitement. Look through its eyes. How does reality appear brighter, more abundant? Use all senses. Hear affirming whispers, smell success, taste victory, touch prosperity. Affirm, I embody my desires. Manifestation happens instantly for me. Stay here, vividly experiencing this new you. Practice a quick technique. Imagine a specific desire, like your dream job or relationship, unfolding perfectly in this reality. Feel the emotions as if it's already real. Satisfied with your choice, turn your consciousness back toward the original window. As you move through the tunnel in this new vehicle, affirm, "I carry this power back. My life upgrades now." Feel the integration, new beliefs embedding, old limits dissolving. Step through the window and approach your original body. These two merge seamlessly. The upgrade infuses every part. New eyes see opportunities. New thoughts attract positivity. New actions create change. Affirm, "I am transformed. My parallel reality is my now." Reality aligns perfectly with your consciousness's choices. Fast, effortless manifestation awaits. If choosing to awaken, feel awareness returning, energized and renewed. Or drift to sleep, trusting the shift. Counting 1. Feeling vibrant. 2. More alert. 3. Open your eyes, embodying your new reality. Thank you for this journey. Like, subscribe, and share your manifestations in the comments. What shifted for you? See you next time. Namaste.